Okay, welcome back. Today we will integrate React Hot Toast in our system or app. So to do that, you need to go to the React Hot Toast official website and you have to add. So you know what is React Hot Toast. So it is a way of nice notification that something happens. So you will understand if you are new totally after a little time later. Okay, so I am integrating it over here. Here at React Hot Toast, and you have to integrate it over here in the layout where you want to, after top nav or after header, you can say it after top nav. Okay, toaster. It is coming from React Hot Toast. It will automatically import React Hot Toast. So npm run dev. I'm running the server and I have written a code for testing it. So toast example page. So first of all, let's see what is happening over here. Then we are coming back. So if we go to the localhost toast example, I'm creating a page. You see, this is the toast example. Okay. So if we go over here, let's reload the page. Yeah. So show success toast. You see the success toast. So error toast, custom toast. Okay. So you can modify it according to your wishes. So you can see the code. So if you write toast.success, it will give you the success. A little bit announcement. You can get a tremendous and superb course. This is my course. MERN stack, Typescript, Ecommerce, Docker, RTKquery, and along with deploy. It's a nice and huge course. So its price is $44, but I can give you for my students, I can give it only $9. Okay, so it will last for 5 days, but it will get, you will get $9. If the course is needed, you can contact with me, just $9.99. Okay, so it's a super course, tremendous course. So you will able to learn a lot of things. You will get TypeScript, e-commerce, Docker, RTK query, and deployment. So it is built on React 9.18, Node.js 20, and role-based automatic redirect. So I will give the discount link and coupon code and course link in the description box. You can come and check and don't hesitate to grab the course. Thank you very much. Message toast.error, the toast.custom error. I'm adding hands over here, and if you click over here, show success toast, it will trigger, show error, it will trigger, and it will trigger custom toast. So all the logics are written over here. You need to import the toast and toast error, toast success. You can get the full documentation over here. Okay, this is the icon. I have used it. You can do it blankly. Success, toast.success, toast.error, toast.custom. Okay, if you give say toast.custom, toast.custom, if I include it over here, toast.custom, let's see. Okay. I'm removing it. Let's see. As two toast is there, maybe. Yeah, we are getting it. Hello world. We are getting the custom toast. Hello world. Okay. So as two toasts were there, so it was not working. So you can come over here and excuse me, configure what is your according to your requirement. Okay. So this is the toaster. You have to include it over in the layout. Okay. So I hope that will make sense. This is that not that much tough. This is custom toast. So if I remove the custom toast, okay, done. So this is integrating React Toast for Toast. In the next tutorial, we will connect MongoDB with our app. Okay, and gradually we are moving to our project. Okay, thank you very much. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned. Thank you very much. See you soon.